This is nice.
How's it going?
What is this?
CyberTruck.
Oh, a CyberTruck.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I haven't been in one yet.
Why are you beeping?
Nah, so his alarm was giving me issues.
Oh.
Should I turn around or?
Yes.
All right. There.
He said this is a CyberTruck.
Yeah, it is. I saw thing on it.
I only seen like one. I think twice.
There's other ones. And they're different colors too.
Oh.
Well, they come in silver, like this one, which is it's actually stainless steel.
Yeah.
But some people wrap them. Some people put wraps on them and make them colorized.
I haven't seen the wraps yet.
Yeah.
I've seen it. Well, I guess it
No, you have seen it because he said
it has to be a wrap.
Oh, look how smooth it drives. I want one.
Wait, watch this.
Yeah, right.
Navigate to GameStop.
Tempe
Marketplace, which is where is it? That's this one here. Boom. So now all we do is we hit this button, and it will drive us the whole way there without me doing anything. I still have to pay attention, make sure everything's it's not perfect, but it works pretty good. We'll see how it does.
You know, when I first saw these come out.
Wow, he's not even driving.
When I saw these guys first come out, I was amazed to find out later this is a truck.
Yeah.
It's a truck.
Yeah, the bed is covered right now, so you can't really tell, but...
Does it slide over your sunroof?
No, it actually goes down back behind your seat, kind of, and it rolls up, so it disappears completely. And
then turns into a truck.
Yeah.
You know how many conversations he has about this car every time somebody gets it, right?
Yeah.
It's a conversation piece.
It is.
I mean, that's all they probably talk about, especially when somebody come in here intoxicated, be like, "Yo, this car is nice, but look at this." But what's this right here? A camera for the back?
No, that's I'm doing a YouTube. I have a YouTube channel, so.
Oh my God, that's all I live on, YouTube.
Oh really? Sweet. All right.
I live there. That's my go-to TV. I pay monthly for no commercials.
Oh, that's the best, isn't it?
Oh,
you gotta love that.
Yeah, you gotta give me your YouTube channel and I'll follow you.
Sure.
Oh wait, I see. Is that right there?
Yeah.
Oh,
Tesla Income.
Oh, okay. Tesla Income.
Yeah. Yeah, so I might even put you guys on it if that's cool.
Oh, yes.
All right.
Yeah.
It's not like I'm notorious or anything, but...
Tesla Income, one word?
Yeah. So it's, obviously it's mostly about Tesla stuff.
Yeah.
But, I'm going to start doing some of these drives now that it drives itself. And, show people what it's like.
Oh, this is a different guy from you.
Let me see. No, that ain't me.
Okay. I think this is it. Wait, let me look at the picture.
No, this is really innovative.
You sure you just go by Tesla? Tesla Income? There's no dot, not...
No, yeah, it's just...
Tesla Income? I'm going too far down. Tesla site. Wait, let me tell you. Tesla Income. Yeah, I did Tesla Income site. There we go. That's you.
Yeah, that's me.
Okay.
There we go.
Subscribe. Alright. Here we go.
Sweet.
How many of you guys are out there driving these? Are you the first?
Wait, is that me? Is that the right one? Let me see.
Yeah, wait, hold on. Let me get back.
Hey, are you the first to drive Uber with these?
I would probably, yeah.
Yeah?
I think so.
Alright, well, then you're starting a new trend.
Yeah.
This vehicle.
Oh, no, that's not, I'm not Dennis. No, it's, oh, that's me, yeah, Tesla Income.
Yeah.
That was just a different video on...
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I see. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I'm a YouTuber. I'm not a YouTuber, but everything I do.
YouTube's great. And yeah, the no commercials thing is the best ever.
Yeah.
I mean, it's so worth it.
Learn how to, I was a doctor in 2 days. I put it on my resume.
There we go.
YouTube
doctor. YouTube
Go
doctor.
to YouTube and they teach you how to do everything.
Oh man, seriously.
I don't know where these and the talent, and I'm like, oh my, I don't learn how to do my hair, my nails, arts and crafts, card works. I don't learn how to do everything.
Everything.
So my daughter even goes to sleep with YouTube by the black light.
Oh, really? What's that about?
Well, it's a black light, and this way they play music and help you sleep.
Nice.
Not black light, black screen.
Oh, yeah. Okay, just
like
dark screen, but music.
Yeah.
Not so bright.
Is that the YouTube music thing? Or is that just a separate thing? Because there's YouTube music, right?
Yeah. It's YouTube, everything. I have YouTube music, YouTube games.
YouTube TV.
Yeah. I don't have that.
Yeah.
I don't need YouTube TV. YouTube is my TV.
There we go.
Well, we got it on TV.
No, it's on TV, but they have YouTube TV where you could watch different programs and stuff like that. This car is neat. Oh my God.
Is this wild? I mean, I haven't touched anything. I haven't touched a thing, and it's doing it right.
This rocks. Huh? When I said this is ours, you was like, nah. I said, no, I don't think that is. But then he stopped in front of us. I was like, okay, this is ours.
This is it.
You just can't get here and turn around.
Oh man, you guys are awesome.
Well, we have one right down the street from us. Yeah, this vehicle. And
no, we don't.
Yeah, we do.
Oh, well, you be out more than I know. So
I see them all the time parked on this one spot where they have the old classic Volkswagen, and they got a BMW sitting there. It's still the old classic Volkswagen on stilts, so it doesn't mess up the drivetrain or whatever. I don't know. And then they have one of these parked there.
Look how big the screen is. Wow.
You can also go like this. Watch this. So now it's the whole. So now you're seeing everything the car sees. And like when you're on a street, you'll see the people walking by and stuff like that.
Oh wow! So if I want to, I don't need a driver's license to get one of these. I just shoot. It's driving off of. I don't think we're gonna have really.
You don't even have to sit there.
I know exactly. So why I'm afraid to drive? Car's gonna do it all for me.
Well, at this point, you still have to have a driver's license. You still have to.
But soon we will not.
That's true. As soon you'll be in the back seat.
Exactly.
It won't matter.
Exactly. Look, we got those cars now that drives without.
Right, Waymos.
Yeah. I don't trust it yet because it got into 2 accidents and then it went up the wrong street. Oh, I didn't hear it.
Bicycle by the zoo.
No, don't tell me that. I don't want to hear that.
Sorry, baby.
Because I'm a people's person, so I carry people's pains and stuff, and I don't want to do that today.
Yeah, that's
Look at that. It creeps up, checks it out, looks around, goes, okay, it's safe. Now we'll go.
Oh my gosh. So I was working, when I went to work, we was in a pool, and she told me, she said, so we had to go to a different pool because they was doing maintenance on one of the other pools. So to make a long story short, she was like, you believe these houses are $1 million? That's how much we pay for these houses. I said, if I had $1 million, you think I'm gonna buy a house with $1 million? No. What's the matter with a plain old house? Why do you spending so much money? And I asked, I said, you spent $1 million on this house? She was like, yeah. I was like, you could have got better. I said, you could get one of these cars.
Way less than $1 million. Way less than $1 million.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Oh, it should not be.
89,000.
You know, you always amaze me how you know things. I don't believe that you've been anywhere, you did anything, but every time I ask you, you know exactly.
I'm an engineer. I have to know stuff. You know, if you don't know how it works,
no, I think there's more than this one.
Then you'll never understand it if you don't know how something works.
Wait till we pull up. Look at people watching us. Wait till we pull up. We should rent this car out to go to a party.
I know. That would be sick.
That I hope we get you going back.
He's already got the
I know.
screens.
This is what? That's a padding.
Yeah. The blue light on top.
All you need is a pole in the middle. A tiny pole in the middle of this car.
Gnomes or what? You're funny, girl.
What'd you say? Gnomes?
Gnome, yeah. Tiny pole.
I mean, you got it's like a tour bus, like a party bus.
Yeah.
Right.
It's really got
look
that
at the
feel to
pumpkin.
it. I'm loving this.
Me too. I love the whole, and it's so roomy.
Yeah, right.
Oh my gosh. It'll be enough for our dogs.
You know, I see these things quite often.
I never
do what it looked like inside.
Oh,
No, what did I say earlier? I didn't even know it was a truck.
Nice. Look at this.
I didn't even know it was a truck.
I know you love your job, huh?
It's kind of fun, yeah. It's fun when I have cool people like you too.
Thank you. We right here.
All right, here it is. Thanks, you guys.
It's the top button. This by itself?
No, it's the top button.
This one?
No. Over there.
Oh.
Yeah, press that and then push. Do it one more time. And then push the door out. It's heavy because it's bulletproof. You know.
Ow.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get out your side.
Okay, I'll let you borrow our car up into 3 days. Bring it back.
All right, I'll bring it back. You guys take care. Have a good day.
I didn't catch your name, brother.
Steve.
Yeah. Michael.
Hey, Michael. Nice to meet you, man. All right.
Okay, we're gonna leave you a big tip.
All right, appreciate it, guys. Thank you.